What if every relationship you have with your friends, your business partners, even your family is a financial account? You make deposits every time you keep a promise. You make withdrawals every time you break one. And just like money, trust compounds. In fact, it's the only currency that grows faster than interest rates and collapses faster than crypto. Welcome back to the Wealth Frequency, where money meets mind. I'm Phon Piseth, and today we're talking about your emotional bank account, the silent economy of trust that determines your real net worth. A few years ago, there was a woman named Sokha who owned a small family restaurant in Siem Reap. Every morning, she'd open her doors early, preparing noodles with the same care her mother taught her. But her secret ingredient wasn't in the bowl. It was her trust balance. She trusted her suppliers to bring ingredients on time. They trusted her to pay even when business was slow. When COVID came, the tourists vanished. Her revenue dropped to zero. She couldn't pay her bills. She was ready to close forever. But something happened. Her suppliers said, "Sokha, pay when you can. We know who you are." Her landlord reduced her rent. Her former customers, now stuck overseas, sent her small donations just to help her survive. Why? Because for years, she had been making emotional deposits. She showed honesty when others cut corners. She remembered birthdays, forgave late payments, and served with heart. When crisis hit, her emotional wealth turned into financial survival. That's the invisible magic of trust. It repays with compound interest, right when you need it most. Let's understand this on a deeper level. Every person you interact with, your clients, your boss, your spouse, your team, holds an invisible ledger of emotional transactions. It's a simple system. A deposit happens when you deliver what you promise. Another deposit is made when you listen without judgment. A huge deposit occurs when you protect someone's reputation, especially when they're not around. On the other hand, withdrawals happen when you lie, ignore, disrespect, or take without giving back. Over time, these transactions add up. And when your emotional balance runs low, people stop investing in you. This is precisely why some professionals see their careers collapse overnight. It's not because they lack skill, but because they ran out of trust capital. The truth is, trust is interest-bearing. The more consistent you are, the higher the interest rate people give you in the form of forgiveness, loyalty, and opportunity. Remember, even in business, deals aren't made between companies. They are made between humans who trust each other. The richest person in any room isn't the one with the biggest portfolio, it's the one who's trusted the most. So how do you actively grow your emotional bank account? Let's get practical. Step 1. Start with micro-consistency. Say "I'll call you at 9" and actually do it. Deliver your work a day early. Respond to that email that others are ignoring. Every one of these small, consistent acts builds compound credibility over time. Step 2. Protect people in their absence. The fastest way to earn respect is to defend someone who isn't in the room to defend themselves. Your reputation multiplies every time you demonstrate loyalty when no one is watching. Step 3. Repay your emotional debts. If you've hurt or disappointed someone, don't ignore it. Acknowledge it and apologize sincerely. An apology is like refinancing a debt. It stops the negative interest from growing and damaging the relationship further. And step 4. Don't overdraw your own balance. Some people give so much to others that they forget to rest and recharge. Remember, self-respect and self-care are what fund your ability to give again tomorrow. When your emotional bank account is strong, your very presence becomes valuable. People feel safe around you, and safety is the foundation of every great partnership, friendship, and empire. Think about this for a moment. A dollar can lose value. A car can break down. A business can fail. But trust, when it's nurtured, multiplies even while you sleep. Every handshake, every kind word, every promise you keep, those are your invisible deposits. In moments of chaos and uncertainty, it's not your savings account that saves you. It's your emotional bank account. The interest it pays isn't in money, it's in peace, support, and priceless second chances. And the best part? You can start investing today without a single dollar. As I like to say, trust is the only currency that never devalues. Guard it, grow it, and it will fund every dream you dare to build. You've been listening to The Wealth Frequency, where money meets mind. If this episode reminded you of someone who invests with their heart, share it with them. Subscribe to Sethtra Academy to keep tuning your mind to the frequency of true wealth, wisdom, peace, and trust. I'm Phon Piseth, reminding you, You can't borrow trust. You must earn it daily. Thank you for listening.